when it comes to relationships, there are certain things that men need before they can truly be ready for the woman in their lives. These things are essential for a man to be able to fully commit and be the best partner he can be in a healthy and fulfilling relationship with a woman. And number one point on the list is called self-awareness. Let me tell you this. One of the most important things that a man needs before he can be in a relationship with a woman is called self-awareness. This means being able to understand and accept your own strengths and your weaknesses, as well as being able to recognize your own emotions and how they affect your behavior. Now, self-awareness is crucial for a man to be able to communicate effectively with his partner to be and able to work through any conflict that may arise in the relationship. Now, self-awareness also involves being able to take responsibility for your own actions and to be able to learn from your mistakes. Now, a man who is self-aware is able to grow and develop as a person, which is essential for a healthy and a successful relationship. Now, number 2 on the list is called emotional intelligence. In addition to self-awareness, a man also needs emotional intelligence before he can be in a relationship with a woman. Emotional intelligence involves being able to understand and manage your own emotions, as well as being able to empathize with and understand the emotions of others. Now, emotional intelligence is important for a man to be able to communicate effectively with his partner and to be able to build a strong emotional connections with your partner. A man who is emotionally intelligent is able to be supportive and understanding of his partner's feelings, which is essential for a healthy and fulfilling relationship. Now, number 3 on the list is called financial stability. Another important factor that man or that every man needs before he can be in a relationship with a woman is called financial stability. Now, this means being able to support yourself financially and being able to contribute to the relationship in a meaningful way. Now, financial stability is important for a man to be able to provide for his partner and to be able to build a future together. Now, financial stability also involves being able to manage money responsibly and to be able to plan for the future. A man who is financially stable is able to reduce stress and anxiety in a relationship, which can help to strengthen the bond between you and your partner. Now, number 4 on the list is called independence. Independence is another key thing that a man needs before he can be in a relationship with a woman. This means being able to stand on his feet and being able to take care of himself without relying on his partner for everything. Now, independence is important for a man to be able to maintain his own identity and to be able to pursue his own interests and goals. Now, if I should throw more light on independence, then I would say independence also involves being able to give your partner space and freedom to be herself. And a man who is independent is able to support his partner in her own pursuit and to be able to grow together as individuals within the relationship. Now, number 5 on the list, which happens to be the last point in this video, is called communication skill. Finally, a man needs strong communication skills before he can be in a relationship with a woman. Now, communication is essential for a healthy and a successful relationship, as it allows partners to express their thoughts, their feelings, and needs effectively. Now, a man who has strong communication skills is able to listen actively to his partner, to express himself clearly and honestly, and to work through conflicts in a constructive way. Now, communication skills are essential for building trust and intimacy in a relationship and for ensuring that both partners feel heard and understood. And in conclusion, I would say there are several key things that a man needs before he can be in a relationship with a woman. And this include: one, self-awareness; two, emotional intelligence; three, financial stability; four, independence; and finally, communication skills. By developing these qualities, a man can be a better prepared to be a supportive and loving partner in a healthy and fulfilling relationship. My name, once again, is Odopahene, and here is Odopahene TV. And if in case today is the first time of watching my video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification buttons for more relationship content.